I think it's important to learn about the brain because it's your body's control system. It controls all your emotions and your mindset and your thoughts, and it controls all the other organs in your body. So I think it's one of the main organs that you need to really study and understand its functions to be able to understand other parts of your body.
The brain controls everything you do, and without the brain, nothing can function, nothing can work.
The brain is really what you are, and I think it's the most important part of your body because it tells you what to say and how to act in different scenarios.
I think it's important to learn about the brain, not only so that we can know how to care for ourselves better, but to understand the emerging field of medicine and science and just progress as humans.
Learning about the brain is important because there's a lot of diseases that are currently untreatable or very hard to treat relating to the brain, like brain tumors or Alzheimer's.
There's really something beautiful about using your brain to learn about the brain. But the only way kids can really learn and appreciate the wonders of the brain is by experiencing them. Two of the biggest ways that these students learn is through experience and through inquiry. I can talk all I want about what's a neuron and what do neurotransmitters do. It doesn't really matter if they know what every single part of the brain does. What matters is that they appreciate and understand why your brain's important, how to take care of it, how can we take care of our brain, how does our brain change the ways we perceive the world. Asking those big questions, getting kids to ask those big questions, and not answering them by telling them, but letting them find the answers themselves through experience is really what I'm trying to accomplish here.
In this camp, the teacher, he explained it all really well, and there was some stuff that I didn't really know before, like operant conditioning and how it's better to tell people what they're doing right than what they're doing wrong.
I think one of the most fun things was just all the interactive games, and it's really interesting doing these social experiments just inside of our classroom and learning how they work in the brain and what really happens.
I actually learned that kids' brains can learn a lot faster than adults because of neuroplasticity, and it was really fun because I learned that what power like young people have. Even though they think I'm just young, I can't really do that much in the world, and that's really not true.
I also learned a lot about diseases that affect the brain and how people got close to curing them, how treatments work, and how we can fight it and better improve our future.
These bright lights truly are our future. They're so curious, so sharp, and each so determined to do something important with their life. That's why Firefly is devoted to fueling their passion for neuroscience and grateful for our community partnership with University of Toronto Schools since 2013. It's such a great opportunity for these students to learn from accomplished professionals in the world of neuroscience and to collaborate on their own research projects. And it's always so exciting to see these bright lights discover something new and important to them about the brain. And when they share back their discoveries, we all learn something new from them. No wonder their families and friends are so proud of them. They truly create the magic. It's moments like this that give us hope for the future.